We bought a lovely piece of walnut, a piece of cherry, and 2 pieces of beech that are just stunning.
We bought 2 pieces of cherry, and I bought 4 pieces of black walnut.
I bought 2 lovely pieces of wood. One is walnut, the other is ash.
What are you planning on making with them?
Some of them are secret Santa projects, and at least 1 large table.
For now, I guess collecting it until I find the right project.
I'm actually doing some work on the house that I'm living in, so use some of that there, you know.
I have no idea yet, but I'm going to take it home and look at it and smell it and just try to figure out what we're going to do.
I really appreciate that this is kind of reclaiming wood that the city's taken down from around town and giving us the opportunity to make something wonderful out of it.
Very organized, very nice. Good job running it, and we'll be back.